guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Vishali Sharma. So today the topic is Introduction to Function Parameters and Arguments. So why this is useful to learn what are function parameters and what are function arguments. So this is useful to pass the information to a function being called. For example, if we are calling a function and we don't have any information in that function. So how do we use that function? How we can add the values in the function? So for that purpose we use the function arguments and parameters. Fine. So what is a function parameter? Function parameter होता क्या है? A function parameter is a variable that is used in a function. Function parameter एक variable ही होता है जो हम function में use करते हैं. Function parameters जो होते हैं वो just like variables ही होते हैं और they are used inside the function definition. जब हम function की definition देते हैं, function को जब हम वहाँ पे declare करते हैं, you know how to write a function with the function as a keyword. फंक्शन कीवर्ड यूज करते हैं और उसका कुछ नेम देते हैं विद अ पेयर ऑफ पैरेंथेसिस यूज करते हैं हम. तो जब हम पेयर ऑफ पैरेंथेसिस यूज करेंगे उसके अंदर हम क्या देंगे, फंक्शन के हम पैरामीटर्स देते हैं, उन्हें इनिशियलाइज करना है उस वेरिएबल को, वहां पे हमने दैट वी कॉल द फंक्शन पैरामीटर्स. तो फंक्शन पैरामीटर्स दे आर जस्ट लाइक द वेरिएबल्स, दे विल बी यूज्ड इनसाइड द फंक्शन डेफिनेशन or we can say inside the function declaration. And if you are using multiple parameters, अगर आपको multiple parameters use करने हैं, you can separate them with commas. Comma लगा के आप उन parameters को क्या कर सकते हो, separate कर सकते हो. So this is how to give the function parameters inside the function definition.
So I'm giving here the single line comment. This function will take no parameters. Now I'm going to make a function that will take no parameters. So first of all, hash include IOStream, that is the pre-compiled header. Then we will make a blank, then void print. This is the function. Print is a function, void is the data type. Then stdcout, giving the message name is print. Print is the function. Then /n semicolon. So what is void print? This is a function and here are no parameters. There are no parameters inside the round parenthesis. Then now I'm going to make another function that is, it will take one parameter that is x. So the function is void value. Value is the function name and in the parenthesis I'm giving the parameter that is int x. This is a single parameter. Then in the function definition I'm writing stdcout x to display the value of the parameter and then /n semicolon. So what is int x? Here is one parameter in that function. Next, I'm going to write a function that will take two parameters named x and y. So, I'm making another function that is the add function. Function name is add and the type is void and then the parameters are int x and int y. These are the two parameters. Then in the function definition, return x plus y and then semicolon. So void add is what? This is the function that will take the two parameters. So it will take the two parameters. So this way we can define the parameters like one parameter or two parameters. We will use a comma to separate the parameters. I have taken the parameters as x and y, so I'll change the type to int because the return type is in int. So this way we can define the parameters.
Now the question arises, what is function argument? Function argument क्या होता है? A function argument is a value that is passed from the column जब भी फंक्शन कॉल होगा तो वहां पे जो वैल्यू यूज होगी, जब भी फंक्शन कॉल के टाइम पे जो वैल्यू यूज होगी, दैट वी कॉल द फंक्शन आर्ग्यूमेंट, उसे बोला जाता है फंक्शन आर्ग्यूमेंट। जब भी फंक्शन कॉल होगा वो वैल्यू आपकी वहां से रिट्रीव हो जाएगी और उसी वैल्यू को हम बोलते हैं द फंक्शन आर्ग्यूमेंट।
Now I am going to tell what are function arguments. Giving the single line comment, function arguments. Then hash include IOStream, this is the pre-compiled header. Then we will make a blank, and then the function, that is the void value is the function name. After that parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis there is a one parameter, that is int z, and then the function definition std cout, then z to display the value of z, then slash n to move the cursor to the next line, and then semicolon. Now here is the main function, that is of the integer type. Then the function definition, main function definition. I'm calling the function, that is the value function. The value function is being called and the value inside the function is 6, and then return 0, then semicolon. So value 6 is what? This is the function argument. Value is being passed from the caller. So whenever the function is called, the value is being passed from the caller. So this way we give the function arguments.
So this way we define the function parameters and function argument. Let us look how we use the function parameters and function arguments together in the C++ program.
Now let us see how function arguments and how function parameters work together. I'm giving here the single line comment, how parameters and arguments work together. So here we will do a program adding two numbers. So hash include IOStream, this is the pre-compiled header. Then we will make a blank, and then the function declaration, that is the int type function, add is the function name, and we are taking the two parameters, that is int x and int y. These are the two parameters. And in the function definition I'm writing return x plus y and then semicolon. Then there is the main function of the integer type, main definition, giving the std cout, calling the add function and passing the values from the add function. So these are the arguments. 4 and 5 are the arguments being passed when the function is called. And then slash n to move the cursor to the next line, and then return 0, semicolon. So int x and int y are two parameters. And 4 and 5 are what? The function arguments. So now we will start without debugging. Let's see what will be the output. So here the output is 9. So function is being called and the values are being added.
So this is all about today's topic. This is how we define the function parameters and function argument. So thank you so much guys. Kindly subscribe my channel and like my videos.